Alright, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Yeah, man. Busy day. If you guys are new here, man, hit that sub button. Join the fam. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys like to see. Heading to the gym for a quick leg day. Gonna head home. Girl's playing soccer tonight, so I'm gonna go watch her. Should be a good day. Beautiful night. guys know the deal. 24-hour fitness. I may drive an M4, but I am too broke to go to a more expensive gym. There are some decent gyms around me, I will say. In the Seattle area, east side of Seattle. But I don't know, man, I'm cheap. What can I say? I'm not interested in spending over $100 a month for a gym membership. I'd rather put that into investments, my car, groceries, my girlfriend, my dog, pretty much everything. Anyways, man, leg day today, so gonna be a quick one. Just gonna get in there. I'm gonna do some light squats, stretch out my lower back, make sure I get that going, because I haven't squatted in a while and I felt like it's just been taking a toll, sort of like avoiding it. I hurt my back doing squats, so I was going super heavy. I'm not gonna do that this time around. Just gonna go light. And but yeah, I was avoiding squats for a while because I was like, well, shoot, if I do squats, you know, maybe I'm gonna hurt it again, or sort of extend this ongoing issue. And so yeah, we're going to do that, do some leg extensions, hamstring curls, and calf raises, adductors, and then we'll finish off with core. Trying to build up my core strength because I also feel like that may be contributing to my lower back pain. So, but yeah, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for riding along with me. As always, I appreciate you, my co-pilot. We're gonna go get this workout in, and I'll talk to you soon, man. Hope you had a good Wednesday. By the time I'm posting this, probably Friday, I don't know. Almost to the weekend, man. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you got some good plans for the weekend. Make the most of it. These trees look so cool out here. Just love how leaves change color in the fall. It's one of my favorite things. So, but yeah, man, stay blessed. Appreciate you watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.